In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Calendar and send to others not in my list. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and sign in to your account. On the main calendar view, look over to the left-hand side panel, scroll if you need to, and locate the section labeled Other Calendars. This is where you can add new calendars that sit alongside your primary one. Next to Other Calendars, click the small plus icon. From the menu that appears, choose Create New Calendar. You'll land on a setup page where you can name your calendar. Give it a clear, memorable name. Something like New Team works well, so everyone immediately understands its purpose. You'll also see a field for a description. This is optional, so you can add context now or come back later to fill it in with details like what types of events belong here or any scheduling guidelines. When you're ready, select Create Calendar. Google Calendar will confirm the calendar has been created. Now return to the main calendar homepage. On the left side again, you should see your new calendar listed. If you don't see it right away, expand the sections on the left or refresh the page. Hover over your new calendar's name and click the three vertical dots to open its options. Choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you to all the controls for that calendar. Scroll to the Shared With section. This is where you'll add the people you want to give access to, even if they aren't already in your contacts. Click Add People and Groups. In the box that appears, manually type the email address of the first person you want to share the calendar with. If you're collaborating with multiple people, repeat the same process to add more addresses one by one. Take a moment to double-check spellings. Sharing won't work if an address is mistyped. As you add people, you'll notice permission options that determine what they can see or do. Pick the level that fits your situation. For example, letting teammates see all event details or allowing collaborators to make changes to events can be helpful for ongoing projects. The people you add will receive an email letting them know they've been given access, and they can add the calendar to their view with a single click. That's it. You created a dedicated calendar, found it on the home page, opened its settings, and shared it by manually entering email addresses, even for people not already in your list. You can update the description or add and remove people at any time by returning to the same sharing settings.